Hey everyone, I'm T Frank and I wanted to show you guys in a really quick video how to set your control ring to whatever you want it to be on your first RF lens. As you can see right here, I have the Canon RP and the first lens that I picked up is the Canon 35mm 1.8 lens. So depending on what lens you pick up, if it's an RF lens, you'll be able to set the control ring. And I wanted to show you because when I was researching this online, I found information on the Canon EOS R, but I didn't find information on the RP. In the menu, I found them to be a little bit different. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to go ahead and set this up. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is just make sure, first of all, you have the camera on. You don't really have to be in a specific mode from the modes that I've tested. You should be okay, but right now I'm actually in manual mode. So if you want to get into manual mode, you can go ahead and do that. The next thing you want to do is hit the menu button here. Once you get into the menu, you want to go ahead and tab over to that fourth tab, and then it's already on a tab that you need to be on. Well, for me it is. So you need to go to Custom Function 3 Operations/Others. You can actually just tap on the touch screen, or you can just use the arrows over here, which is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to hit this set button. So once you hit that, you're going to go over to the sixth screen, which if you look here, the numbers are in the top right hand corner. So you're going to just tab over, or you can hit the arrows by just touching the screen. So I'm going to tab all the way over until I get to 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that I'm here on the sixth screen, like it'll actually show you the different controls that you can change. But go ahead and just tap on the middle of the screen. So this is the next screen that is actually going to let you customize the main dials. So as you can see, whatever is highlighted in orange is what you're on. So this is the shutter speed. So shutter speed is actually going to be this button here, as you can see, as it's showing in the illustration. Then if you tab down to the next one, that's actually going to be your aperture setting, unless you change these buttons, but I'm not worried about those. In this video, I'm showing you guys the control ring. So that is actually going to be this button right here. And then the button that we want to actually change is the control ring, which is this last one. So you can either select the screen or just touch the screen since it's a touch screen, or you can hit set, which I'm going to hit set here, and then it'll give you the options for how to set the control ring. So now that you're in here, you can actually go ahead and set the control ring to whatever it is that you want it to be set to. So if you notice that top row, they have down arrows with it. This is requiring you to hold the meter and twist the control ring at the same time. And this is actually going to prevent you from accidentally hitting the control ring. So I'm actually going to show you really quickly an example of this. So I'm going to set the control ring right now to the AV, so that aperture mode. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit set, or like I said, you can just go ahead and touch the touch screen and it'll set it. And I'm going to back out of here. So the first thing you want to do is hold this metering button, and don't press it down, just actually hold it. All right, so you see that I'm holding it, and then you want to turn the control ring at the same time. So I'm just showing you right now that I'm turning this control ring, and then I'm going to show you the settings. So if you look at the camera, you should see that my f-stop, you see that F, the number is actually just jumping. So it's going up and down based on how I'm turning it. So basically that's your setting there. If you want to put that extra measure on there so that you don't hit it and accidentally turn, the control ring and mess up your settings. Now that I've showed you that, I'm actually going to go back and show you what it looks like if you just have a regular setting and you don't have to hold down the metering. So you're going to go back into the same settings, and then you're going to change it to whatever it is that you wanted. I'm going to go ahead and put it at ISO. And then I'm going to back out of here, and then I'm going to show you, like, when I actually change this ring here, it's just going to change, and I don't have to hold on to the metering button. Like I said, we can focus. I don't have to hold on to that, so I'll just do the ring here, and then it should change the ISO, being that that's how I set it up. So if you look at the ISO here in this right hand corner, you see it changing as I turn the ring. You should hear the ring, and the ring is going to make a little sound, but it shouldn't be too bad in video. I mean, you hear it, but I think there's an option where you can actually send it into Canon, and of course they'll charge you, but they can turn off that sound if that's an issue for you. But anyways, I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, definitely hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm T Frank, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.